Plant-based and sustainable diets, a path toward health and environmental harmony in a world facing significant health and environmental challenges. Adopting a plant-based and sustainable diet has become a powerful solution. This dietary approach, emphasizing whole, plant-derived foods while minimizing animal products and processed options, offers numerous benefits. Not only does it improve personal health, but it also contributes to environmental conservation and long-term sustainability. With growing awareness, more individuals are exploring the transformative potential of plant-based eating to create a healthier planet and a healthier self. What is a plant-based and sustainable diet? A plant-based diet focuses on consuming foods derived from plants, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. It doesn't necessarily mean excluding animal products entirely, as some people incorporate small amounts of meat, dairy, or fish. Instead, the emphasis is on plants as the primary source of nutrition. When combined with sustainability principles, this diet takes into account the environmental impact of food production. Sustainable eating involves choosing foods that are grown and harvested in ways that reduce greenhouse gas emissions, conserve water, protect biodiversity, and minimize waste. This combination of plant-based eating and sustainability aims to promote long-term health for both people and the planet. The health benefits of plant-based eating: improved heart health. Plant-based diets are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and unsaturated fats, all of which are linked to better heart health. Studies show that people who eat more plant-based foods have lower cholesterol levels, reduced blood pressure, and a decreased risk of heart disease. Weight management: by focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, plant-based diets can support weight loss or maintenance. These foods are naturally lower in calories while being high in fiber, keeping you full for longer and reducing overeating. Lower risk of chronic diseases: a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is associated with a reduced risk of diabetes, certain cancers, and obesity. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in plants help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, key factors in many chronic illnesses. Better digestive health: the high fiber content in plant-based diets promotes a healthy gut microbiome, aiding digestion and reducing the risk of conditions like constipation, diverticulitis, and colon cancer. Enhanced energy and mental clarity: eating a variety of plant-based foods ensures you get essential vitamins and minerals like magnesium, potassium, and vitamin C, which boost energy levels and improve cognitive function. The environmental impact of a plant-based diet: the benefits of plant-based eating extend far beyond personal health. Shifting toward a plant-based diet is one of the most effective ways to reduce your environmental footprint. Reduced greenhouse gas emissions: the production of meat and dairy contributes significantly to global greenhouse gas emissions. By eating more plant-based foods, individuals can lower their carbon footprint and help combat climate change. Conservation of water resources: animal agriculture is water-intensive, requiring thousands of gallons of water to produce just a pound of beef. Plant-based foods like grains and vegetables require far less water, making them a more sustainable choice. Preservation of biodiversity: deforestation for livestock grazing and feed crops threaten ecosystems and wildlife. Choosing plant-based options helps reduce the demand for such practices, preserving biodiversity and natural habitats. Reduction in pollution: animal agriculture generates significant waste that can contaminate water supplies and soil. Plant-based farming generally produces less pollution and supports healthier ecosystems. Practical tips for adopting a plant-based and sustainable diet: transitioning to a plant-based and sustainable diet doesn't have to be overwhelming. Small, consistent changes can lead to meaningful results. Here are some practical tips. Start small: you don't need to go fully plant-based overnight. Begin by incorporating 1 or 2 meatless meals per week, such as meatless Mondays. Gradually increase the frequency as you get comfortable with plant-based cooking. Focus on whole foods: prioritize whole, unprocessed foods like fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, and legumes. These are not only nutrient-dense but also have a lower environmental impact than highly processed products. Plan your meals: meal planning helps reduce food waste and ensures you have balanced, plant-based options throughout the week. Include a mix of proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates to meet your nutritional needs. Support local and organic buying. Locally grown, organic produce reduces the environmental impact of transportation and chemical fertilizers. It also supports local farmers and communities. Experiment with plant-based proteins. Explore plant-based protein sources like lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, and edamame. These are versatile, affordable, and packed with essential nutrients. Be mindful of packaging. Opt for bulk purchases and reusable containers to reduce plastic waste. Many plant-based foods, like grains and nuts, are available in bulk sections of grocery stores. Educate yourself. Learn about sustainable farming practices and the environmental impact of different foods. The more informed you are, the easier it will be to make choices aligned with your values. Overcoming challenges. Like any lifestyle change, adopting a plant-based and sustainable diet can come with challenges. However, with the right strategies, they are easy to overcome. Nutritional balance. Some worry about meeting their nutritional needs on a plant-based diet. However, with proper planning, it's possible to get all the necessary nutrients, including protein, iron, and vitamin B12. Consider consulting a dietitian if needed. Social situations. Dining out or attending gatherings may seem tricky at first. Look for plant-based options on menus or suggest restaurants with diverse offerings. Bring a dish to share at social events to ensure you have something to enjoy. Time constraints. Busy schedules can make meal preparation challenging. Batch cooking and simple recipes can save time and make plant-based eating more convenient. The future of plant-based and sustainable diets. The rise of plant-based eating is not just a trend, it's a movement toward a healthier and more sustainable future. Innovative food technologies, like plant-based meat alternatives and lab-grown proteins, are making it easier than ever to adopt this lifestyle. As awareness grows, more restaurants, brands, and policies are supporting plant-based options, making them accessible to a wider audience. Moreover, the connection between diet and sustainability is becoming increasingly clear. By choosing plant-based foods, individuals can play an active role in protecting the planet and addressing critical issues like climate change and resource depletion. Conclusion: a plant-based and sustainable diet is more than just a way of eating, it's a commitment to health, compassion, and environmental stewardship. By focusing on nutrient-dense, plant-based foods and considering the ecological impact of our choices, we can create a brighter future for ourselves and the planet. Whether you're motivated by personal health goals, environmental concerns, or a desire for ethical living, transitioning to a plant-based and sustainable diet is a meaningful step. Start small, stay consistent, and embrace the journey toward a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. Together, our individual choices can drive global change.